Motorola is revealing its next flagship smartphone series to rival the Galaxy S20 lineup on April 22, according to a tweet shared by the Chicago-based company Today. The Motorola flagship launch event will be next Wednesday, April 22 at 11 a.m. CT/12 p.m. ET. Motorola is expected to unveil two new Edge devices at the online press conference, including the standout Moto Edge Plus. The Edge series is positioned to replace the modular Moto Z family, which first launched back in 2016. In our Moto Z4 review, we found Motorola's latest handset to provide a decent 5G-ready experience for a budget price, but it lagged against competitors like the Google Pixel 3a. If rumors about the Moto Edge's processing boost prove true, it could beam the company back into the premium flagship market. The Moto Edge Plus reportedly features a Snapdragon 865 processor, which is the same chipset powering all the Samsung Galaxy S20 phones as well as the LG V60 Think 5G. Motorola's new phone is also rumored to sport a 6.67-inch display with a faster 90Hz refresh rate, catching the Edge Plus up to the likes of the Google Pixel 4 and OnePlus 7T. We're also expecting a 5000 mAh battery, and a triple camera array led by a 108-megapixel main sensor and a 25MP camera up front. We also expect to see a budget Edge device offered alongside the Edge Plus, which could pack less powerful hardware and smaller 64-megapixel main sensor. Of course, this is all speculation. The Motorola flagship launch event's teaser video doesn't confirm any of previous leaks or rumors, but we could learn more as the announcement date approaches. Type, paste, and edit text here. Natural Reader Online is a text-to-speech web application that converts any written text into spoken words. Use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or iCloud from your mobile to upload and instantly listen to documents on the go. Premium users can even take a picture of printed books to listen to using OCR. Free plan. More. -20 minutes/day for premium voices. Unlimited use of free voices. Supports PDF and most document formats. Accessible from mobile devices. Premium and Plus plan. More. Unlimited use of Premium or Plus voices. Read images and scan PDFs with OCR. MP3 conversion, 1 million characters, month. Introducing Plus voices, learn more. Looking for commercial? More. Create narration for YouTube videos. Generate e-learning material. Public use in broadcasts. New intelligent commercial AI voices. Add to Chrome, free. Free Chrome extension. Listen to web pages and Google Docs. Listen to emails, PDF and school notes. Add to Chrome now. Do you own a website or blog? Let your website or blog talk. Easy to set up. Free version available. Learn more about Web Reader.